Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share a topic with you that's super important for any business trying to get traction online. How to use Facebook posts to reach more clients and boost your business. Now we all know Facebook isn't just a place for cat videos or keeping up with the old friends. If you're running a business, it's a gold mine for those attracting clients, and if you're using it right. But here's the thing, it's not just about posting ads or sales-driven content. Facebook is a lot smarter than that, and honestly, so are your customers. So let's break down the key to make Facebook posts that just don't sit there, but actually work to bring in the clients. The power of balanced content strategy. So what's the trick? It's creating a balance and mix of a direct and indirect content. You see, not every post has to scream buy now or sign up today. If you're just pushing sales, guess what? People tune out. So instead, think of your content as building a bridge between your audience and your business. Let's say we're sharing a post with a simple piece of advice, an interesting article, or even a fun industry fact. These kinds of posts, what I like to call indirect lead gen content, may not directly ask people to click a link or to buy something, but they are building trust. They are making people want to come back and see what you have to offer, and maybe even share with their friends. Now let's talk about direct lead gen posts. These are the ones where you're clearly offering something valuable, like a free guide, a checklist, a product trial, or even an invite to a webinar. To make these posts even more impactful, we should consider the following points. Balanced product focus versus educational entertaining content. While product-focused posts can generate qualified leads, educational or entertaining content often generates a higher volume of leads and reaches a wider audience. This approach nurtures awareness and piques interest without appearing too salesy. It establishes trust and credibility, setting the stage for future conversations, building visibility and engagement. To increase reach and visibility, focus on posts that prompt comments, likes, and shares. Engagement boosts a post visibility in Facebook newsfeed, leading to higher click-through rates and ultimately more conversions. Lastly, direct lead generation posts should include strong call to action, such as download now or get your free trial, that clearly guide users to the next step. Just make sure these posts add value and not just selling. Example of direct and indirect posts. To put it simply, you want a little bit of both. Direct lead gen posts are like the cherry on the top, but your indirect posts are the cake that keep people coming back. Strategic recommendations. Diversity content. Balance product-centric post with a rich mix of educational and entertaining content to maximize reach and engagement. Set clear goals. Clearly define the engagement objective for each post to guide content creation and measure success. Leverage visuals. Prioritize visual content creation to improve engagement and clarity in communication, ensuring that each post is visually appealing and aligned with your branding. Track engagement. Regularly analyze post performance based on engagement metrics to refine your strategy and understand what resonates best with your audience. By focusing on these strategies, you can create a more effective Facebook presence, and not just one that generates leads, but also foster a community around your brand. And here's where it gets fun. Facebook ads. Now, I'm not saying throw your whole budget into advertising, but using Facebook ad platform can really help your post get the reach they deserve with tools like page, like ads, and you can even make sure the right people are seeing your page and your content. But here's the trick. Facebook ads work best when they are boosting content that's already engaging. So think of ads as a way to amplify your post, not as a magic button for instant sales. Okay, here's a recap. By creating a mix of posts that build trust and value and occasionally lead people to your product, you're setting yourself up for success. And when you're ready, a bit of advertising can help take it to the next level. The goal, don't just reach your audience, engage with them. So whether you are a small business, freelancer, or growing brand, remember, Facebook isn't just about posting. It's about building relationship. If you got value out of today's tip, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite Facebook marketing strategy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.